What's up?
The state police just said the dude just fled from, the passenger fled with a gun into peddler's mall.
Okay. And if I can get some cars to start the peddler's malls, subject fled from the passenger seat, armed with a firearm. That's correct. What do you got, buddy?
So I got the driver. I'm 1015 with him.
Okay.
Everybody's good. I saw the passenger bail out. I couldn't really do much when I got him.
Yeah, absolutely.
In this intersection.
You have a description of him?
So he's a white male with an orange shirt, and he had a pistol.
Be a white male with an orange shirt and had a pistol in his hand.
There's a long barrel pistol. He had two guns. I saw the one.
Just fleeing from you?
But I got the driver. His story is that he was
you stay with him, I'll run over there. Did I see a guy walk in here with an orange shirt?
Yeah. He just went down through there.
Yeah, he just used my phone.
Where's he going?
He got on an orange shirt.
Where'd he go, you know?
Yeah, I just let him use my phone.
Okay, stay with me, don't mind. Which way did he walk?
I turned around and he came straight there. He's waiting on somebody to come pick him up.
Excuse me, man.
Go back to the front.
Sorry.
What's he look like?
White guy, he got tattoos all on.
White male, got tattoos all over his arm. Orange shirt.
Split on the side.
Split on the side. Did y'all see the guy with orange shirt? Orange shirt?
He's a young guy.
Is that, I see him. I see him.
No, not him.
No, the guy just walked that way. Where'd he go? Where is he?
Yeah, he don't get out the shirt. Yeah, he took that shirt off.
Be advised, he's running toward the front exit door. He's going out the other side. Going towards the plaza. You better stop! Be advised, he's reaching. Going around back. You better stop! Get out of the car! 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 Get out, man! Get out! Get out of the car now! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Shots fired. Hands up! Get your hands up now! Hands up! Put your hands up!
You fucked me up. I can't move.
Get your hands up!
You fucked me up.
Put your hands up!
I can't move. My duty's fucked. My heart's fucked, please.
Put your hands where I can see them now!
I can't move.
Put your hands where I can see them now!
I can't move.
Hands up now! Shots fired. I can't see his hands. Gonna be in the pharmacy drive-thru. Put your hands up now! Put your hands up! Put your hands up now!
My arms are right here. I can't move.
Do not move!
My right arm's fucked up. Why'd you
Be advised, he
shoot
was
me?
trying to
I didn't do
carjack
anything.
a woman in the driveway. She took off running back behind the pharmacy.
Oh, why'd you shoot me?
You didn't Listen, you're trying to kidnap somebody.
No, he didn't.
Put your hands up now.
He didn't.
Put your hands up.
I can't move my right arm, please.
Officer 1086, I believe the female subject's still okay. Put your hands up now.
Hands up!
I don't know what he was reaching for something. Put your hands up. I can't see below him. He had something under. He was trying to reach on the dash.
I got covered.
Pull him out. Pull him out. I can see both hands.
Right here.
I can see both hands. Pull him out.
Hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands now!
Y'all got lethal?
Yeah. Your hands.